Today, we're going to look at the stories we inherit. So, we all learned about love somewhere, but not all lessons were healthy. Our parents, our culture, our community, our religions, our teachers, people in school, our peer group, they handed us scripts, and some told us love is sacrifice. Others told us it is silence. I think of all the songs and the music you listen to. When I was young, and that was a long time ago, it was Stand By Your Man, you know, and all of that, no matter what he was like. So, for many same sex couples, the rules weren't even written. So, the good news is that we can rewrite the story. So, today I want you to consider, which story about love am I ready to rewrite? You'll notice this whole stand by your man thing was drummed into us when we were young. And in principle, it's a good one. But sometimes, if that man is treating you badly and being abusive, you don't stand by them. So rewrite that story. So, comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.